Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all. My name is Sharifah Rosfashida, a senior lecturer from the Faculty of Technology and Applied Sciences, Open University Malaysia, and Program Director for Master of Facility Management. I am at Tan Sri Dr. Abdullah Sanusi Digital Library at Menara Open University Malaysia. Today, I would like to review a book titled Estimating and Tendering for Construction Work that I obtained from OUM's main library. This book is the 5th edition and it was written by Martin Brook. It was published in 2017 by Routledge Publishing. Martin Brook, a respected authority in the field, brings his extensive industry experience as a contractor's estimator and as a lecturer teaching pre-contract studies. His practical knowledge shines through and he presents the subject matter in a clear and accessible manner. Estimating and Tendering for Construction Work by Martin Brook is a highly regarded book that is an essential guide for professionals and students in the construction industry. Published in 2017, this book provides a comprehensive and insightful overview of the complex processes involved in estimating and tendering, making it a valuable resource for individuals seeking to master these critical aspects of construction management. This book is structured in a logical and organized fashion, making it easy for readers to follow the content from start to finish. It covers a wide range of topics, including the fundamental principles of estimation, cost analysis, and the tendering process. Brook goes on to discuss more advanced topics, such as risk management, value engineering, and the use of computer software in estimating. In addition, the emerging technologies such as BIM, Building Information Modeling, and estimating systems which can interact with 3D design models have been included. This comprehensive approach allows readers to build a solid foundation and then progress for more advanced techniques. The book is an indispensable companion for learners taking undergraduate and postgraduate courses in project and facility management. One of the standout features of this book is its focus on real-world applicability. It doesn't just provide theoretical knowledge, it also includes practical examples and case studies that illustrate the principles and techniques discussed. These real-world scenarios help bridge the gap between theory and practice, making the book a valuable tool for professionals, including learners, who need to apply these skills in their day-to-day work. On top of that, learners can understand the consequences of entering into a contract with complex conditions and documentations, as well as to appreciate the technical requirements of the project. The book is ideal for learners to understand the job of the estimator through every stage, from early cost studies to the creation of budgets for successful tenders. This book is also a good reference and valuable resource in preparing your assignment course, such as tender and contract management, as it combines theoretical knowledge with practical insights, offering a holistic view of the subject. We have more than 20,000 printed books covering a wide range of topics and 30 electronics databases consisting of e-books and e-journals, audio-visual collections, OUM iRepository, seminar papers, and theses. 95% of the digital library's collection is in the form of e-books and e-journals. There are 190,000 e-books titles and over 55,000 e-journals titles can be accessed through the digital library portal. That is all for now. I highly recommend this book, and if you're interested in reading this book, you may request it from the OUM library. Happy reading!